Hello guys, grabe gad-gad naman guys. It's so hot in the Alaska guys. Here in the Philippines, Alaska. You can see a boat at the time. May tide ito, not to what do you call that? Not to throw it away, the boat. And we are here in the tallest coconut. So beautiful, nice here. I don't think so if we are allowed in here. Maybe this is new. I don't know what we call this place. Partner. My partner is missing. There she is missing. Oh, it's so hot in the Alaska here guys. There is a hidden paradise here. Oh, my hidden paradise not there it guys. As you can see, I don't know if we are allowed in here. I don't know if we are allowed in here. But this is a very beautiful place to. White sand guys, white sand. There is my partner. This is my partner. Yeah. Oh no, private property. No trespassing. We are not allowed. Trespassing ta. Let's go back. Let's go back guys. Trespassing ta, mapriso ta. Ayaw cool, bata pa kukul. See guys. So hot. So hot. The water is blue. And the sky is blue. See? The sand is white. Me is black. Namig Swalig kawayan. Oh, don't bite me. I have small legs. Hinahol na ako ng aso. Don't bite me, I don't bite you. Guys, ang ganda. Saya sarap dito. Upo muna tayo dito, mami. Let's eat here. Let's sit here.